Hi, I want to share with you something I learned in Florence, Italy from a model that I had hired for a fashion show. She said she would never serve a red sauce without wine in it. Well, she said actually without grapes in it. And I have not done that either since. So, my meatballs have been simmering in my sauce all day. Now, the final touch, garlic, olive oil, of course. I have fried the tomato paste. Now, tomato paste is the healthiest of all tomatoes you can eat because it's the only fruit and vegetable that the longer you cook it, the healthier it gets. So, I fry the tomato paste with garlic and then put in the grapes. Whatever leftover wine you have in the house, you're going to fry it right up with your tomato paste. Simmer it a little bit. Add that to your sauce at the last minute for the gruff bouquet of garlic, the tomatoes, the red wine,